Hi everyone, welcome to Focal Academy. See this problem, here how to find average power absorbed by the impedance circuit. So there is one impedance circuit. So impedance circuit means having the reactive elements. Maybe it is capacitor or resistor or inductor. So that type of circuit is called as a impedance circuit. So that circuit having overall impedance is this much is given. So whenever this voltage was given to that circuit, to this impedance circuit, then how much average power absorbed by this impedance? This is the problem. So first of all, find the current in the impedance. How can you find? So according to Ohm's law, we know that V equal to IZ. So from this we get current I equal to V by Z. So V was given as 120 with phase angle 0 degrees upon, and Z was given as 30 minus J 70. So here impedance was in complex number converted into phasor form. So that is, so we know that whenever the complex number will be given in this form, root of A square plus B square, it gives magnitude with phase angle is tan inverse of complex part is B, so B by real part, that is A. So it gives phasor form. Now apply this here, we will get into phasor form. So that is 120 with phase angle 0, so upon root of 30 square plus 70 square, it gives magnitude, and phase angle is tan inverse of complex part is minus 70 is there, so minus 70 upon 30. So by simplifying this we get, so 120 with phase angle 0 degrees upon 76.16 with phase angle minus 66.8 degrees. Now how can here we divide the two phasor forms? Means whenever the phasor forms are there, how can we divide it? So just divide the real part here, magnitudes. So that is 120 upon 76 minus 16. Now the new phase angle is, so the upper 0 is there, and so 0 minus of minus 6.8. So simply, so A with the phase angle theta 1 is there upon with B with phase angle theta 2 is there. So it nothing but A by B into phase angle is theta 1 minus theta 2. Just by applying simply this, we will get this one. So by dividing this, we will get 1.576, and here minus of minus plus it becomes, so phase angle is 66.8 degrees. So this is the amperes current. Now we have current and voltage is there. Now we can easily find average power across this impedance. Average power is equal to Vrms into Irms into cos of the phase in the voltage signal, that is theta V, minus phase in current, that is theta I. It becomes, so Vrms nothing but from voltage we have the magnitude is 120 maximum. So 120 by 2, it gives Vrms into Irms is, so in the current we have the maximum amplitude is 1.576 by root 2 into cos of the phase in the voltage is 0 minus, and theta is 66.8. By using calculator, we will get 37.24 watts. So this is the average power for the given problem. So and this is the process of simplification. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share. Thanks.